You know there's an easier way to check for pool leaks, right?
Wait, are you kidding me?
Yeah. First, check to see if your pool has an autofill valve, which hides pool leaks by refilling pools automatically. Make sure to turn it off. Now we're ready to perform a bucket test. To do this, place a 5-gallon bucket in your pool and fill it with water to match the water level of your pool. Mark the water levels on both the inside and outside of the bucket with a marker. Wait 24 to 48 hours. If the water loss inside and outside the bucket are the same, it's likely just normal evaporation. If the pool water outside the bucket drops more than the water inside the bucket, you likely have a leak and should contact a pool repair specialist. For more information on fixing and finding leaks, visit evmud.com/leaks. And don't forget to pour your water back in the pool.